Hey, how's it going guys? Salt here, and in this tutorial I'm gonna create a repository of Git. So before you can track changes of your files, you need to create or initialize a Git repository or repos for short. And I use repos though, so you can get it by when I say repos, that basically means repositories. And so let's begin. First we need to go to a folder. What the heck, what just happened? Yeah, and now we need to create a folder inside. You just don't want to collect every files as you go, so here and cd inside that folder, and now we are inside the folder. And now for begins thing, we're gonna create a directory mkdir, and now we're gonna name it like git. So and go inside there, and I'm gonna create a file called index.html, just for simplicity. So index.html, you do not need to know HTML or something. If you are backend, that's fine, that's totally fine, So now if you put it inside here, you can see it's a index.html file. And now what I'm gonna do is initialize the Git repository. So how I'm gonna initialize this? By typing git init. That's it. The moment you type it, it's a Git repository now. And yeah, this folder is hidden here, you can't see it here anywhere, but if you can see in a text editor there. So these are the things which you track your changes, and that's how you can create a Git repository. And I will later, what I'm gonna do is change files and track the changes. First, what I'm gonna do is cut this out and reopen our folder and paste our folder again, and you can see this green, which is an atom. What happens is if it's a Git repository, it will show you untracked Git changes. This is specified that this is a Git repository. So that's it. So we'll see you guys in the next tutorial, where I will change some file and show you in the staging area. So see you guys then.